Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we'll explain how you can create a Wise business account. Let's jump right into it. First, open the Wise website or the Wise app. On the sign up screen, select Business Account instead of Personal. You'll now see a list of countries where Wise Business is available, countries like the USA, UK, Pakistan, Canada, Australia, and many more. However, Turkey is not available for Wise Business registration. Choose your country from the list, then enter your business email address and create a secure password. Next, you'll be asked to provide business details. This includes your legal business name, business type, registration number, and your official registered address. After that, Wise will require you to verify your account. You'll need to upload your business registration documents, proof of address, and an identification document for the business owner or director. Once Wise reviews and approves your documents, your business account will be set up. You can then receive payments in multiple currencies, send money internationally, and access business tools like batch payments and team member permissions. And that's it, your Wise business account is ready to use.